No capping. This is that rice recipe you've been looking for. It tastes so good. Who would have known that aya can be used to cook rice? Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and turn on your notification bell to all so that you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. For my old OGs, 3 wozas for you. Woza. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you so much. I'm so happy making this recipe today. I've been craving this since last year. Since last year, I got the inspiration about aya rice. I said to myself, since there is coconut rice, why can't there be aya rice? Since both of them taste like it has almost the same taste. So today, I'm putting it to test. I want to make it for my husband so that he will eat when he comes back from work. I don't know how it will turn out, but I have positive mindset that this will come out very well. So let's get right into the video, shall we? So the first thing I will be doing is to add some chopped onions, and I will stir fry for a while. I will introduce the thyme, and I will also follow it up with some curry powder. The curry powder will only not add the aroma to this, but it will also add some color to it. I will add some salt. I will stir. Then I will follow it up with some rosemary. So I will stir again, and as you're adding all these herbs and spices, the aroma here, oh my god, is giving. So I threw in some bay leaf as well. Then I will follow it up with chopped paprika, that's sweet paprika, shombo, and habanero pepper, and some more onions and garlic and ginger. That was what I added now. So I will give it another stir. I will fry it for at least 5 minutes so that everything will release its flavor into the pepper mix, and also the water from the pepper mix will dry up a bit. So keep on stirring so that it will not burn. Though I'm using non-stick pot, but yeah, you still need to stir it so that it will fry evenly. After 5 minutes, I will be adding some seasoning powder. I'm using Aromat Knorr seasoning powder. Then after adding it, I will still mix it again. Now I will introduce the protein which I will use to cook this. I'm using dried meat, some catfish, and some okboloko stockfish, which I've already cooked. I soaked the dried meat overnight before cooking it. Then I will also be adding the catfish now, the dried catfish, which I've washed very well. I will top up some water to this, at least to the level of the protein. Then I will give it a stir before I will cover it and allow everything to cook together, because once you allow it to cook, then all the ingredients will marinate inside the meat. Everything will release its own flavor. Then while cooking that, I will blend the tiger nut, the aya. So after blending it, is looking like this. I will sieve it out just like so. Now it's time to add it back into the pot. Then I will add the cream or the milk or the tiger nut water inside the pot. I will now introduce the washed rice. This rice has been washed thoroughly up to 4 to 5 times. Then I will add it into the pot. You can also use parboiled rice. Once I add it, I will stir it to see if I need to add more water. I added a little bit of water off camera, and it's looking like this. The quantity of water to the rice is okay now because the rice wasn't parboiled. Then I will use foil and cover it before I will cover with my cover so that it will steam. Then after 10 minutes I will stir it to make sure that the ones up move down and the ones down move up so that it will soften evenly. Then after another 10 minutes again, the rice is as good as ready. I will stir again, just like so. Then at this stage you can add some vegetables if you like. You can add like scent leaf, you can add ugu, that is pumpkin leaf, but I decided to have mine like this because that's just the way I love to enjoy it. So guys, our Tigernut rice is ready, so let's have a test. This is it, guys. This is that rice recipe you've been looking for. I mean it. God, please try this recipe out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Oh, I ate it so quick. So guys, please try this recipe out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And share this video to your family, your friends, so that they can also enjoy this yummy Aya rice recipe. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way again. Bye. Clock it.